How's it been so far?
Rotor in the rotor housing here. Some rubber recon.
Some rubber recon. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. I'm not sure if... well, this is probably already going to be an episode. I'm not sure. This might be the beginning of an episode. This might be in an episode. I don't know. Anyway.
This is the thing. Like, all of our vlogs are like... we got probably 50 of them. And we got probably 100 videos that we could put out. But like... this video will probably come out like next Christmas. And we're all
next Christmas?
You know what I mean? Like, we're all wearing... like.
I know, right?
Shorts and t-shirts. It's like 80 degrees outside. This car is nice, dude. Like
super nice.
Super clean.
They didn't even do much to it. You guys just cleaned it up and I actually checked it in today and it's already getting ready.
I checked it in at like 11, like right before lunch. 3:30 now. Look at all the factory zinc stuff. All that stuff is like...
is that usually unusual?
Yeah, usually it's all like tarnished and like oxidized and stuff. But
right. So be on the lookout for that pretty soon. I think I'm gonna take pictures tomorrow night. So I'm not sure when this vlog is gonna drop, but probably it'll be for sale already listed by the time you see this video.
Somebody needs to buy this thing and then slam it.
Slam it. These look so good, slam. It definitely needs some lowering. You know what I'm saying?
Needs some gap insurance.
Guys are in here putting together the 13B. I'm gonna check on them, see how it's going. I'm kind of interested.
Okay.
Oh, hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, y'all having fun up in here? Whoa. What are you doing? Y'all finishing this up?
We are. We're getting close.
How's it been so far?
Rotor in the rotor housing here. We got the little apex seals in with little corner seals, everything. Side seals, that's these right here.
Man, y'all 13B pros now, son.
We are.
Damn, we do everything to drive motorsports.
My finger out of there. Boom. Make sure that O-ring stay. Oh, it should. It has the dowel around it now.
Okay. Yeah. So now we just need to bolt it together with these big ass bolts.
That's a long bolt.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
So that goes through the whole thing.
Right.
Bolts it together.
There's Doritos inside. They spin.
Yeah, they spin and it makes power.
There's two. See?
Ooh.
It's magical.
Ah.
It's just magic.
All that power from this little babe thing right here.
Yeah.
Was it like a 1.3?
Yes, technically it's a 1.3 liter engine. But yeah, we got it back together. We're gonna bolt it up. We gotta start bolting all the accessories on there. We'll put it back in the orange RX-7 and we'll be able to put that up for sale.
People don't really like these engines like that. They like, oh my god, you know, I think.
Well,
you
they're
just
worried
take care
about
of
it
them.
because they're different.
They are, but just take care of them. You're fine, you know.
As long as you warm them up
That's the key.
to full operating temperature before you turn it off. Don't just start it up and move it 5 foot in your garage. That's a problem on these. You gotta let them warm up fully to operating temperature, and you need to make sure that it's getting oil with the oil injection pump.
Mm-hmm.
It actually injects oil into the combustion chambers to lube the whole operation of it, because it doesn't have like oil squirters like a piston engine would have, right? So you gotta make sure that's working. A lot of the race guys will take those off and go to a 2-stroke mix.
Yeah.
Then you gotta mix it in your tank.
Yeah, that's what the RX-8 guys have to do that stupid stuff.
Well, because RX-8 with the rotary engine on the RX-8 got rid of that oil injection pump.
And think
for
about how
emissions problem for emissions.
That's so dumb.
But then they only last 60,000 miles.
Right, takes away reliability. So it's like, why would you do
Maybe
that?
60,000 miles.
Maybe 60.
So I mean,
So you're having to pre-mix that yourself, and you forget that, you're screwed. And a lot of people buy these cars probably don't even know anything about pre-mixing.
right.
So it's like, boom.
But as long as you have the oil injection pump.
That's injectors, right?
Wow. Thanks a lot, YouTube. You're making Chris get all my crap out of order. Thanks.
very
I don't know where this went. Maybe it went here.
See?
Maybe it goes
Do you
here.
see?
That looks like it fits, right?
Yeah, something like that.
That fits right.
I think so.
Right there.
Send it.
Yep.
And then just put this one.
Yeah, there you go. I was thinking
That goes. Maybe. Just put that over there like that. That's it. I got it, Ed. We're getting this back together. We'll get the car back together, and it'll be for sale.
Mm-hmm.
Brand new rebuilt 13B.
All right, fellers, friends and folks of the vlog. We just had lunch. We're fat and happy. Look at that belly. So we're doing some
rubber recon.
rubber recon.
Some rubber recon.
That's
Let's see
a-
what we got here. Ooh, it's still goopy.
Hey CJ, you know who's gonna have to clean this up?
Hey, Dan, CJ, I need you to grab a broom.
Does that mean Chris is cleaning it up?
No,
That's just who did it.
that's just who did it.
Yeah.
This is like a Jersey snowball. This is what snowballs look like in New Jersey.
I thought it was gonna be heavier.
There we go.
What you got going on, Ed?
Oh, hey. Right over there's Matt.
Hey Matt, what's up, man?
He bought the white S13 that's out there, and he brought us a literal truckload of goodies for it that we're going to install. So, I don't even know what all's in here, so...
I don't think Matt even knows what all's in here.
That's awesome.
Ooh.
So is it an overlay or is it all carbon?
I think this is all carbon. Well, no. I mean, right there, that's not.
That's some steel.
Yeah, so
or aluminum.
overlaid.
Real light.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Maybe it's just aluminum in the center where
Yeah,
the hub
maybe
is.
just for the hub. That's what it feels
I
like.
think it's light.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
extremely light. Like I said, I couldn't find very many pictures of one with this on it. So I guess it sits like that. And then you got the
It might be the other way.
ducktail.
Oh, yeah, it is that way.
Yeah, you got the ducktail that
Yeah.
way.
It's gonna be crazy looking.
We could do a vanity plate that bolts onto the outside, all aluminum, and then on the inside have the Pandem hand. That would be extra, you know, that would be like a lot, but it'd be really cool.
That would be cool.
Like a hood chin spoiler thing. That's what it looks like. That's the other thing. Are those spots for fog lights, or are those just inlets?
Those in the bottom?
Yeah. Okay. I didn't know if they were like.
Yeah, I don't think I have.
Okay.
Yeah, I
what
thought
that
they were
looks
just like overlays. It looks like a full fender.
We'll get one unwrapped and take a look.